A bitter setback for proponents of transgender rights. The Supreme Court today upheld laws in 24 states that banned gender-affirming care for minors. In the 6-3 decision, the court's conservative majority ruling it does not violate the Equal Protections Clause of the 14th Amendment. Now, this case involved a teenager who sued Tennessee after that state banned her treatments. And this teen, who did not want to show her face, told ABC News how hormone therapy changed her life.
I feel amazing after that, and I'm pretty, maybe it's just because the gender dysphoria is so bad. Maybe I feel normal now.
The American Academy of Pediatrics releasing a statement in response to the High Court ruling. It says the science still supports gender-affirming care and that denying patients access to this care not only undermines their health and safety, it robs them of basic human dignity. And also today, the Trump administration announced it's going to shut down the National Suicide Hotline services for LGBTQ plus youth. Now, better known as 988, the hotline provides everyone with access to crisis counselors and other resources. Well, the White House says everyone who calls the hotline will still get help, but the specialized services for LGBTQ plus youth will end next month. And we wanted to know how Colorado's LGBTQ plus community felt about these developments today. So our Ryan Fish spoke with people at a rally in Boulder, and tonight he's sharing their voices for you.
Trans rights are human rights! Members and supporters of Colorado's LGBTQ plus community speaking out at this rally in Boulder Wednesday.
Feels like a gut punch.
Unfortunately, it is really unsurprising.
After the Supreme Court upheld a state's right to ban minors from receiving gender-affirming care, such as puberty blockers or hormones.
I've tried to end my life multiple times when I was a teenager, much before I was able to get on HRT or gender-affirming care.
Ren Q. Daw is a trans comedian from Gun Barrel and says that care made all the difference.
Beyond life-saving, I am so grateful to have found my community. I was able to understand my identity a lot better. It gave me words to put to an internal situation, an internal dilemma that I had lived with for my entire young adult life.
Just a devastating thing to hear and to experience as a parent.
Emily Stout lives in Longmont and has 2 kids.
One trans, one potentially non-binary.
Current Colorado law protects gender-affirming care, though supporters fear that could change one day.
Our lives don't revolve around being trans. It's just being a family and loving your kid and believing that they should be able to be their full, authentic self.
Major medical associations have backed gender-affirming care, but it's become part of a divisive national debate. Many oppose the care, saying children aren't able to make informed decisions about it. Some worry about long-term health risks. In its decision, the Supreme Court majority writes, this case carries with it the weight of fierce scientific and policy debates about the safety, efficacy, and propriety of medical treatments in an evolving field. The voices in these debates raise sincere concerns. Also Wednesday, the Trump administration announced the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline will end its specialized services for young people who are, quote, LGB+, to focus on, quote, serving all seekers.
Some level of support will still exist, but those people will no longer be trained to understand some of the specific challenges that trans community folks actually, deal with in their lives. So it is incredibly dangerous.
Brianna Tatone, the first openly trans state legislator elected in Colorado, says the community is strong.
We support each other, we have each other's backs, and we're not going anywhere.
If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, there is help available. Call or text 988. In Boulder, Ryan Fish, Denver 7.